Welcome to our exploration of sleep and why it's so crucial for our well-being. Sleep is often overlooked, but it's a fundamental pillar of health, just like nutrition and exercise. In this video, we'll dive into the science behind sleep, its impact on our bodies and minds, and practical tips to improve your sleep quality. Whether you struggle with insomnia or simply want to feel more energized, understanding sleep can transform your life. Let's begin by looking at what sleep really is and why it matters so much. Sleep is a natural, recurring state of rest for the mind and body. During sleep, our bodies repair themselves and our brains process information from the day. It's not just a passive activity. Sleep is an active process that supports growth, healing, and memory. Understanding the basics of sleep helps us appreciate its importance and motivates us to prioritize it. Next, we'll explore the different stages of sleep and how each contributes to our overall health. Sleep is divided into several stages, including light sleep, deep sleep, and REM sleep. Each stage plays a unique role in our physical and mental health. Light sleep helps us transition into deeper stages, while deep sleep is essential for physical restoration. REM sleep, on the other hand, is crucial for memory and emotional processing. Cycling through these stages ensures we wake up feeling refreshed and ready to face the day. Let's take a closer look at how these stages work together. Enough sleep is vital for physical health. During deep sleep, our bodies repair tissues, build muscle, and strengthen the immune system. Sleep also regulates hormones that control appetite, metabolism, and stress. Without adequate sleep, we become more susceptible to illness and injury. Prioritizing sleep can lead to better physical performance, faster recovery, and improved overall health. Next, we'll discuss how sleep affects our mental and emotional well-being. Sleep is closely linked to mental health. When we sleep well, our brains process emotions, consolidate memories, and clear out toxins. Poor sleep can lead to mood swings, anxiety, and difficulty concentrating. Over time, chronic sleep deprivation increases the risk of depression and other mental health issues. By making sleep a priority, we support our emotional stability and cognitive function. Let's see how sleep influences our daily mood and productivity. Good night's sleep boosts productivity and creativity. When we're well rested, we think more clearly, make better decisions, and solve problems faster. Sleep improves focus, attention, and motivation, making it easier to tackle daily tasks. On the other hand, lack of sleep leads to mistakes, slower reaction times, and reduced efficiency. If you want to perform at your best, sleep is your secret weapon. Next, we'll explore how sleep affects physical appearance and age. Sleep plays a significant role in how we look and feel. During sleep, our skin cells regenerate and our bodies produce collagen, which keeps skin firm and youthful. Lack of sleep can lead to dark circles, dull skin, and premature aging. Getting enough rest helps us maintain a healthy glow and feel confident. Next, we'll look at how sleep influences weight management and metabolism. Sleep affects our weight and metabolism. When we're sleep deprived, hormones that regulate hunger and fullness become imbalanced, leading to increased cravings and overeating. Poor sleep also slows metabolism, making it harder to maintain a healthy weight. Prioritizing sleep can help you manage your appetite and support weight loss goals. Next, we'll discuss how sleep strengthens the immune system. Sleep is essential for a strong immune system. During deep sleep, our bodies produce proteins called cytokines that help fight infection and inflammation. Without enough sleep, we become more vulnerable to viruses and bacteria. Getting adequate rest can reduce the risk of illness and speed up recovery. Let's move on to how sleep affects heart health. Sleep is vital for heart health. During sleep, blood pressure drops and the heart gets a chance to rest. Chronic sleep deprivation increases the risk of high blood pressure, heart disease, and stroke. By making sleep a priority, we protect our cardiovascular system and improve overall longevity. Next, we'll examine how sleep affects blood sugar and diabetes risk. Sleep helps regulate blood sugar levels. When we don't get enough sleep, our bodies become less sensitive to insulin, increasing the risk of diabetes. Good sleep supports healthy glucose metabolism and keeps blood sugar stable. Next, we'll look at how sleep influences hormone balance. Sleep is crucial for hormone regulation. Hormones like cortisol, melatonin, and growth hormone are all influenced by our sleep patterns. Disrupted sleep can lead to hormonal imbalances that affect mood, energy, and overall health. By maintaining a consistent sleep schedule, we support our body's natural rhythms. Next, we'll discuss the importance of sleep for children and adolescents. Sleep is especially important for children and adolescents. During sleep, their bodies and brains grow and develop. Good sleep supports learning, memory, and emotional regulation. Children who don't get enough sleep may struggle in school and experience behavioral issues. Ensuring kids have a healthy sleep routine sets them up for lifelong success. Next, we'll look at sleep needs for adults. Adults need sleep to maintain health, productivity, and emotional balance. The recommended amount is 7-9 hours per night, but many adults fall short. Busy schedules, stress, and technology can interfere with sleep. Making sleep a priority helps adults stay healthy, focused, and resilient. Next, we'll discuss sleep needs for older adults. Older adults often experience changes in sleep patterns. While they may need slightly less sleep, quality is still important. Seniors may struggle with insomnia or fragmented sleep, which can impact health and mood. Creating a comfortable sleep environment and maintaining routines can help. Next, we'll explore common sleep disorders. Sleep disorders like insomnia, sleep apnea, and restless legs syndrome affect millions. These conditions disrupt sleep and can lead to serious health issues. Recognizing symptoms and seeking treatment is essential for restoring healthy sleep. Next, we'll discuss the signs of sleep deprivation. Sleep deprivation can manifest in many ways, including fatigue, irritability, difficulty concentrating, and weakened immunity. Chronic lack of sleep increases the risk of accidents and long-term health problems. Recognizing these signs early can help you take action to improve your sleep. Next, we'll look at the causes of poor sleep. Many factors can disrupt sleep, including stress, caffeine, irregular schedules, and environmental noise. Identifying the root cause is the first step to better sleep. Next, we'll discuss the importance of a sleep-friendly environment. A comfortable sleep environment is essential. Dark, quiet, and cool rooms promote restful sleep. Investing in a good mattress and minimizing distractions can make a big difference. Next, we'll look at the role of bedtime routines. Establishing a consistent bedtime routine helps signal your body that it's time to sleep. Activities like reading, gentle stretching, or listening to calming music can relax the mind. Avoid screens and stimulating activities before bed. Next, we'll discuss the impact of technology on sleep. Technology can interfere with sleep. Blue light from phones and computers suppresses melatonin, making it harder to fall asleep. Setting limits on screen time and using night mode features can help. Next, we'll explore the role of diet and exercise. What we eat affects our sleep. Heavy meals, caffeine, and alcohol can disrupt sleep patterns. Eating light dinners and avoiding stimulants in the evening supports restful sleep. Next, we'll look at the benefits of exercise. Regular exercise improves sleep quality. Physical activity helps reduce stress and tire the body, making it easier to fall asleep. However, avoid vigorous workouts close to bedtime. Next, we'll discuss relaxation techniques. Relaxation techniques like meditation, deep breathing, and progressive muscle relaxation can help calm the mind before bed. These practices reduce anxiety and prepare the body for restful sleep. Next, we'll look at the importance of sleep consistency. Consistent sleep schedules help regulate our internal clocks. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends, supports healthy sleep patterns. Next, we'll discuss the role of naps. Short naps can boost energy and alertness. Ideally, naps should last 10–30 minutes and be taken early in the afternoon. Long or late naps can interfere with nighttime sleep. Next, we'll look at how stress affects sleep. Stress is a major barrier to good sleep. Worries and anxiety can keep us awake and disrupt sleep quality. Managing stress through mindfulness, journaling, or talking to someone can help. Next, we'll discuss the importance of sunlight exposure. Exposure to natural sunlight helps regulate our sleep-wake cycles. Spending time outdoors during the day boosts melatonin production and improves sleep quality. Next, we'll look at the impact of shift work. Shift work can disrupt sleep patterns and lead to chronic sleep deprivation. Night shifts and irregular hours make it harder to maintain a healthy routine. Strategies like blackout curtains and consistent schedules can help shift workers sleep better. Next, we'll discuss travel and jet lag. Traveling across time zones can disrupt sleep and cause jet lag. Gradually adjusting your schedule before travel and exposing yourself to sunlight can ease the transition. Next, we'll look at the role of genetics in sleep. Genetics play a role in sleep patterns and needs. Some people naturally require more or less sleep. Understanding your unique needs can help you optimize your sleep routine. Next, we'll discuss the importance of listening to your body. Paying attention to your body's signals is key. If you feel tired, allow yourself to rest. Ignoring fatigue can lead to chronic sleep issues. Next, we'll look at the dangers of sleep deprivation. Chronic sleep deprivation increases the risk of accidents, heart disease, diabetes, and mental health problems. It also impairs judgment and reaction times. Prioritizing sleep is essential for safety and well-being. Next, we'll discuss how to recover from lost sleep. If you miss sleep, try to catch up with naps or extra rest. However, consistent sleep is more effective than occasional catch-up. Focus on building healthy habits for long-term benefits. Next, we'll look at sleep myths. There are many myths about sleep, such as needing less sleep as you age or being able to adapt to little sleep. Most people need consistent, quality sleep regardless of age. Next, we'll discuss the importance of sleep hygiene. Sleep hygiene refers to habits that support good sleep. This includes regular schedules, comfortable environments, and healthy routines. Practicing sleep hygiene can improve sleep quality and overall health. Next, we'll look at the role of medical help. If sleep problems persist, it's important to seek medical advice. Sleep specialists can diagnose and treat disorders, helping you restore healthy sleep. Next, we'll discuss the impact of medication. Some medications can affect sleep either positively or negatively. Always consult your doctor before using sleep aids. Next, we'll look at natural remedies for sleep. Natural remedies like herbal teas, aromatherapy, and relaxation techniques can support sleep. These options are gentle and often effective for mild sleep issues. Next, we'll discuss the importance of patience. Improving sleep takes time and persistence. Small changes can make a big difference, but results may not be immediate. Stay patient and keep working toward better sleep. Next, we'll look at the benefits of tracking sleep. Tracking your sleep with apps or journals can help identify patterns and areas for improvement. Monitoring progress makes it easier to adjust habits and routines. Next, we'll discuss the importance of self-care. Self-care practices like managing stress, eating well, and exercising regularly all support healthy sleep. Taking care of yourself holistically leads to better rest and overall wellness. Next, we'll look at the role of mindset. A positive mindset can improve sleep quality. Letting go of worries and focusing on relaxation helps the mind unwind. Practicing gratitude and mindfulness before bed can make a difference. Next, we'll summarize the key points. Sleep is essential for physical, mental, and emotional health. It supports growth, healing, memory, and mood. Prioritizing sleep leads to better performance, appearance, and overall well-being. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. Next, we'll conclude with final thoughts on sleep. Making sleep a priority is one of the best things you can do for your health. By understanding its importance and adopting healthy habits, you can enjoy more energy, better mood, and improved quality of life. Remember, sleep is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Take steps today to improve your sleep and unlock your full potential.